Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to easily change currency on Godaddy in just 5 minutes. Whether you're traveling, setting up a website for a different country, or simply prefer viewing prices in a specific currency, this guide is for you. First, head over to the Godaddy homepage by visiting their official website. Godaddy offers a variety of services such as domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools, making it a popular choice worldwide. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner and click on it. Enter your login details to access your Godaddy account dashboard. It's important to use the correct credentials to ensure you can modify the necessary settings. Once logged in, navigate to the section for managing your domain purchases. Here, you'll find options to specify the currency for pricing information. Look for a section like shopgaddy.com or another shopping area within your dashboard where you manage domains or other services. Within this section, you will find a domain search bar. Enter a sample domain name you are considering for purchase. Then, click on Search Domains. A list of available domains along with their respective prices will be displayed. Now scroll down to bottom of the page to see a list of available currencies, such as USD, CAD, and others, will be presented. Choose USD or any other preferred currency for your transactions. The page will refresh automatically, and all displayed prices will update to reflect the selected currency. Confirm that this change is applied consistently across the site to ensure a seamless browsing and purchasing experience. For instance, you will now see prices such as $1.01 or $14.85 displayed in the newly selected currency. With this, the currency setting on your Godaddy account has been successfully updated. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful.